What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Breaking Now, and we're finally getting ready to do our Matthews Rise. It took a few minis, but we got it all done. Best of luck to everybody. Top spot after 4. Here we go. Live. Good luck. It is 5:26 on the clock, and we got Morgan down to J. 1, 2, 3. Timestamp. Timestamp on 3, 5:26. 5:26 it is, last and final. We're going to determine our winner. Good luck, folks. There you have it, Michael. Wow, Michael E-Boy. Everybody had a mini spot, except for Michael. He bought spot number 9. Congrats, Michael. There you go. That is the last and final. 4th and final timestamp says 5:27. And 5:27 it is. So congratulations, Michael. Spot 9, done it. It took a day full of minis, but it is on the way to you. We'll get in contact with you about shipping. And congrats again.